How to view Instagram call history. I'm going to show you how you can easily view Instagram call history. If you're concerned about someone monitoring your conversations on Instagram, you can easily check your call history within the app. To view your call history, open the Instagram app and navigate to the home page. Here, you will find your call log. To delete a specific call, swipe left on the call entry. If you want to mute calls from a specific person, tap their name in the conversation header. If you prefer not to see this information at all, you can delete the conversation entirely. To clear your call history, go to your profile and tap the upper right corner. From there, select Settings, then choose Security or Privacy. To delete your search history, you can access the Recovery tool in the Settings section to manage your call history. If you have a smartphone that supports Instagram, you can delete calls or messages whenever you want. You can also turn off call history settings on your phone to free up space and improve your account's responsiveness. Additionally, Instagram has a chat history that you can check by long pressing a contact's name and selecting calls. This will show both incoming and outgoing calls. If you're worried about recordings, consider enabling the Vanish feature, which allows you to delete both chat and call history with that person.